చూపించట్లేదు. బీచ్ ఏమో బీచ్
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
కరెక్ట్ చేస్తే
RCE shift 1 to 3.
ఇది కరెక్ట్ చేస్తే
Video on. Good morning, students. Can you able to hear me? Unmute me. Please speak. We will start the class.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay.
Morning,
Okay. Be silent. Okay. Right. So yesterday we have seen the formula for pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. This is the formula for pressure. We can also write P is equal to F by A. Now we will write the units for pressure. First we will write the units for force. So units of force So if an object is there of mass m and it is moving with acceleration a, acceleration means a means acceleration. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. And velocity is equal to displacement by time. Here, when an object of mass m is moving with acceleration, then the force is given by the formula F is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. First, in order to write the units, we have to know the formula. F is equal to ma. So acceleration is equal to velocity by time. Velocity equal to displacement by time. Displacement means here length by time. So if I write L is equal to L by T again by T. So L by T square. If I write SI unit of force. SI unit of force. So for mass is nothing but just like it is a concept of weight only. How we measure weight in kgs, mass is also measured in kgs. So for mass, kg. For acceleration length, SI unit of length is meter and SI unit of second is, sorry, since power is 2, so we are going to get kg ms power minus 2. This is the SI unit. This kg meter s power minus 2 is called 1 Newton. In physics, SI unit kg meter s power minus 2 is called 1 Newton. Now I will write CGS unit. CGS unit of force. Instead of kg, gram will come. Instead of meter, centimeter will come. Instead of second is same. This gram centimeter s power minus 2 is called 1 dyne. Remember, SI unit of force is Newton. CGS unit of force is dyne. How this kg meter s power minus 2 can be called as 1 Newton. So there are two SI units. Initially at the fundamentals we have discussed the units, how to write the units for length, mass and time in SI system, CGS system and MKS system. So that's why I told that measuring systems in starting fundamentals of physics, you just go through that. Since force is given by the formula mass into acceleration. Acceleration means velocity by time. Velocity means displacement by time. Displacement means nothing but if a person goes from point A to B, this is called displacement. Nothing but length only. And the time is t. So SI unit of length is meter SI unit of time is second square. So kg meter s power minus 2 will represent the unit for force, and that kg meter s power minus 2 we call it as 1 Newton. Now I am writing CGS unit. CGS means centimeter gram second. CGS unit of mass is gram. CGS unit of CGS unit of CGS unit of length is centimeter. CGS unit of time is second. So gram s power minus 2 is equal to 1 dyne. So SI unit of force is kg meter s power minus 2. CGS unit of force is dyne. So now I will write the units. 1 kg ms power minus 2 is equal to 1 Newton. 1 gram centimeter s power minus 2 is called 1 dyne. This is the SI unit. This is the CGS unit. CGS unit of force. First, we need to write the units of force. Then we will write the units for. Then we will write the units for pressure. Now, let me confirm whether you understood or not. Is it clear, my dear students?
Explain, sir. Once again, explain, sir.
Sir, video was done, sir.
Okay, I will explain.
Sir, your video was
I will explain. My video is clear now.
Yesterday class ID.
No, sir. No, sir.
My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir. Clear only, sir.
Not clear, sir.
Listen.
Sir, once again explain, sir.
I will explain once again.
Explain, sir.
I will explain.
Explain, sir.
Listen. So first we have to write the units of. So we are in first we have written pressure is equal to force by area. So we don't know the units of force. Force is given by the formula F is equal to ma. M means mass into acceleration. Audio and video is clear. If you are facing any audio problem or video problem, that is your network problem. That is not my problem. So my dear students, see that your network is, you are maintaining good quality network. Even though my side, I have no disturbance. From your side, if you want to get the audio and video quality, means you have to maintain good network, right? So force is given by the formula F is equal to mass into acceleration. And SI unit of mass is kg. In the starting classes, we have seen measuring systems and SI system. We have written the units for length, mass, time. So SI unit of mass is kg. Acceleration formula is L by T square. SI unit of length is meter. SI unit of time is second. Power is there, second square. Kg meter. This second square will go up, means it will become s power minus 2. So kg meter s power minus 2 in physics, we used to call this term as 1 Newton. Newton is the name of the physicist who has discovered, who is named after the yesterday classes. Why you are asking? I am sorry. Why you are asking? Why you are chatting? Don't chat. Don't chat when I am saying kg meter s power minus 2 is called 1 Newton. This is SI unit. CGS unit. CGS unit of mass is gram. CGS unit of length is centimeter. CGS unit of time is second. So we got SI unit of force. SI unit of force 1 kg meter s power minus 2, and it is called 1 Newton. CGS unit of force 1 gram centimeter s power minus 2, 1 Newton. Now 1 Newton is equal to kg meter s power minus 2, I will convert into CGS unit. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Second is same, S power minus 2. I am converting SI unit into CGS unit. Now you see here, 1000 can be written as 10 kilogram, 100 can be written as 10 square, S power minus 2. I will write this one, 10 power 3, 10 square, gram, centimeter, S power minus 2. So, you know, A power m into A power n. This is base, this is power. This is base, this is power. When the two bases, same bases are multiplying, so here base is same, so you can add the powers. In the same way, here the base is same, you can add the powers. Gram, centimeter, S power minus 2. 10 power 5, gram, centimeter, S power minus 2. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5. Instead of this one, I can write dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. Just I am converting SI unit into CGS unit. You can see here. Let me take the screenshot. So any doubts on this we will discuss now.
Sir, there we have changed. Sir, there we have changed SI unit into CGS unit, sir.
One by one you ask. One by one you ask. One by one.
Sir, okay, sir. There we have you changed SI unit to CGS unit, sir.
SI unit into CGS. Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Second is same.
Sir, we SI unit we have to change it to CGS unit, sir.
Once again,
SI unit we have to convert into CGS unit.
sir, once again, explain cases into.
1 kg is equal to 1000 grams.
Hello.
I will
Sir,
explain.
2 grams is equal to 10, sir. Sir, 1 gram is equal to 10.
Sir, your video was very clear.
So 1 kg meter S power minus 2 is called 1 Newton. I have taken 1 Newton, kg meter S power. Now I will convert kg into grams. 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. So 1000 grams I have written. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 second is same. Second same. Second I am not changing. Only I am converting kg and meter. You have to know that kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 meters. Same I have written. 1000 grams. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1000 means how many zeros are there? It can be expressed in the power of 10. 10 power 3 zeros are there. Gram. 10 power 2 zeros are there. So base are equal, you can add the powers. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. So remember, SI unit of force is Newton. CGS unit of force is dyne. Based on that, we are going to write the units for pressure. Now we will write the units for pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. So P is equal to F by A. Now I am writing SI units of pressure. So SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of area, meter square. Area formula. length into breadth. So length is measured in meters, meter square. So Newton by meter square. CGS unit. CGS units of pressure. Dyne by centimeter square. Because CGS unit of force is dyne. CGS unit of centimeter. CGS unit of area is centimeter square. Centimeter square area means length into breadth. That means centimeter into centimeter. And this Newton by meter square is called 1 Pascal. 1 Pascal. Pascal is the name of the physicist. 1 Newton by meter square is called 1 Pascal. You can also write PA. PA. Pascal is the name of the physicist. Just like we have kept the unit for SI unit of force is Newton. No? Pressure. Since Pascal has discovered Pascal's law, which is related to pressure, we have kept SI unit of pressure as Pascal. So 1 Newton by meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. CGS unit of pressure, dyne by centimeter square. Let me take the photograph. Now, is it clear? Units of pressure? Just show your thumb. Show your thumb if you understood. Show your thumb. Everybody show your thumb. Understood? Yes, units of pressure understood? Understood or not? Okay. Right. Now we will see one activity here. We will see one activity. Let me focus this camera. Activity. Aim to show the effect of force and contact area. Materials required. Materials required. For this activity, you need materials required is. Who is this? Amanani Srija LP. I am going to delete you. Don't chat. Materials required. 2 bricks you take. 2 bricks. Limestone, sand. So for this materials, 2 bricks I have taken. Limestone, sand. Diagram. 2 trays also you take. 2 trays. Now, you keep these 2 trays. This is one tray, another tray, 2 trays, and you keep brick, 2 bricks you take, rectangular bricks. So 1 brick you take vertical, 1 brick horizontal. So 1 brick I will keep here. Limestone is there. I mean, lime and sand is there. This is tray. These 2 are called trays. This is lime plus sand. lime plus sand. So here in this tray, you keep brick vertically. Here you keep brick horizontally. So when you keep the brick horizontally, so horizontally will sink less deeper. This brick will sink more deeper. So I will say one example here. Suppose a wooden, this is wood. Two nails are there. One is having this one, another is having sharp edge. So here the nail which is having this one, force is distributed, but here it is having pinpoint, the force will be, that means this nail will go deeper, this is less deeper. So this is having less area, this is having more area. So the nail which is about to penetrate, the nail which is having a flat edge, it won't penetrate into the wood. But whereas the nail which is having sharp edge and which is having less area will penetrate more into the wood. Suppose you want to hit the nail into the wood, so the nail which is having sharp edge will go deeper. In the same way, here, let me write the procedure here. Let me write the procedure here also. Procedure. Take 2 bricks and place in 2 trays. One in vertical position and another in horizontal. Another in horizontal. Third one. We will observe that. The brick in vertical position having less pressure, less area of contact will go deeper than horizontal one. Then horizontal. See here, pressure is equal to force by area. So if the area is minimum, if this is minimum, pressure will be more. If area is maximum, less pressure, more pressure. So you can see by keeping here the brick which is kept, the brick which is kept vertically, since it is having very less area, more pressure will be felt on this and it will go deep into this. Whereas the brick which is having horizontal, more area, only less pressure will come, it will go less deeper. అంటే ఇది తక్కువగా, ఇది మోర్గా, it will go into that. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఏరియా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఏరియా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ప్రెషర్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఏరియా తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్రెషర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. So that's what the main aim of this activity, to know that the brick which is having less area will go deeper into the tray, whereas the brick which is having more area horizontally, it will go less deeper. Let me take this photograph. Five minutes.
Hello,
Tell me, my dear students, if you have any doubt.
Once explain
clear, sir.
pressure unit, sir.
Pressure units.
Sir,
SI unit of
Less area we get.
Sir, please put a board, sir.
one at a time. One at a time. SI
If
unit
there
of
is less area, we get more pressure, sir.
less area, more pressure.
Sir,
More area, less pressure.
the board, sir.
Hey, what's
Any doubt? Tell me, any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Who is this? What is the SI unit of force? You tell me. SI unit of force. SI unit of force.
The board, sir.
Sir,
Newton.
What is the CGS unit of force?
Dyne.
What is the SI? What is the SI unit of pressure? Pressure.
Sir, you are reading. M square.
What is the CGS unit of pressure?
Dyne square.
10 by centimeter square. What do we call 1 kg meter S power minus 2? 1 kg meter S power minus 2. Yes.
what, sir?
SI unit. SI unit.
It is not SI unit. It is 1 Newton. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter S power minus 2. 1 Newton is equal to how many times? 1 Newton is equal to how many times?
10 times.
10 power 5 dyne. 10 power 5 dyne.
10 power
10 power 5 dyne.
You understood the units?
Yes, sir. 10 power 9, sir.
You asked me any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
One at a time you ask.
No doubt, sir.
Clear, sir. Clear. No doubt, sir. Clear.
No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, tell me.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Activity on the floor.
Hello.
Tell me.
In line border, we are digging the bricks, sir.
Lime material, that is sand. I mean calcium plus.
Board is not clear, sir.
Sir, what do you mean by sand, sir?
Sand, matti.
Hello, sir.
Sunnam plus matti. So whenever we keep that one, if you keep vertically, you will have less area, more pressure will go. More area, less pressure.
Sir, in another tray, less deeper, no, sir?
Less deeper, because it is having more area, no? More area means less pressure.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, no one post.
Tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, pressure will have one direction, sir.
Pressure is having, actually pressure it can exert 3 directions: vertically, lower, sider, and upper. Pressure is having direction.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Bye bye.
Okay, understood what we discussed today?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, tell me.
Sir.
Sir, my
What is
friend is
asking?
in waiting room, sir.
Huh?
My friend is in a waiting room, sir.
Waiting room. There is no waiting room. I have not, everything I have accepted.
Sir,
Waiting room,
my mother is going to office, sir.
Waiting room, there is no waiting room. Everybody can listen.
The phone is not there, sir. Bye.
Tell me.
Sir, we are not listening.
Shall we meet? So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start new chapter, friction.
Sir, share the screen, sir.
From the
Okay, sir. Sir, share the screen, sir.
Who are shouting? Bye.
You send message.
Screen share, sir.
Message to me.